A quick grammar lesson on helping verbs. A helping verb, or auxiliary verb, is a type of verb which works with the main verb to add more detail to a sentence. There are three main helping verbs in English. They are to be, to have, and to do. The helping verb to do can be used in the present simple to express the interrogative mood. The interrogative means to ask a question. For example, do I like cherry pie? Do you, singular, like cherry pie? Does he, she, or it like cherry pie? Do we like cherry pie? Do you, plural, like cherry pie? Do they like cherry pie? To make the present simple interrogative, we add do or does before the subject and end with the main verb plus object. The helping verb to be is used in the continuous tense to express the interrogative mood. Is he watching the sunset? The present continuous tense. Was he watching the sunset? The past continuous tense. Will he be watching the sunset today? The future continuous tense. The helping verb to have is used in the perfect tense to express the interrogative mood. Has he drunk his milk? The present perfect tense. Had he drunk his milk before napping? The past perfect tense. Will he have drunk his milk before bed? The future perfect tense. The helping verbs to have and been are used in the perfect continuous tense to express the interrogative mood. Has he been revising all day? The present perfect continuous tense. Had he been revising all day? The past perfect continuous tense. Will he have been revising all day? The future perfect continuous tense. The structures can be made interrogative by using this formula: helping verb plus subject plus main verb plus object. I'll give you a few examples. Does she eat bread? Is she eating bread? Has she eaten bread? That's all for today. Don't forget to visit the website and subscribe to our channels for more grammar lessons.